head of the International Migration Division in the Directorate for Employment, Labour and Social Affairs. That's for the Organisation for Economic Cooperation and Development. Appreciate you coming on. Let's just talk about the need for this bill. What was the belief? Why was it needed?
Well, the initial intention of a proposal by the government was to reduce undocumented migration in France using different levers, including reinforcing expulsion, but also easing access to the labour market for asylum seekers, as well as an amnesty for those who are working in occupation in shortage. When the draft bill from the government went to the upper chamber, the Senate, the senators decided to make it much more tough and have introduced a large number of additional restrictions that change, if you want, the intention of a law, which is now a law for reducing immigration to France.
What are the key criticisms that have been directed at this?
Well, the problem is that, as you said, the conservative thinks that this is not restrictive enough, and the left side of Parliament, because as you also mentioned, there is a motion of reject that is being discussed at this exact moment. The left part of the Assembly thinks that this is too hard, and not only that the amnesty is not systematic or large enough. It's very difficult to reconcile these opposing views on the draft law. And the majority, the government, has actually a weak majority and needs some allies to get that passed. And currently, this is very challenging, I must say.
So we've been talking so far about what different political movements think about it, but more importantly, what does the public think?
Well, I think that the public opinion in France is geared towards more restrictive policies on migration, but at the same time, typically recognize that there are hundreds of thousands of undocumented migrants who are already working, providing key services in household, taking care of the children, of the elderly, people who are cleaning the offices, people who are working in the medical sector, and these people are kind of essential for the French economy. So I think it's fair to say probably that the public opinion is also of two minds regarding this draft law.
Okay, and that vote's still to come. Appreciate your time, Jean-Christophe Dumont, who's head of the International Migration Division at the OECD. Appreciate it.
Thank you very much.